It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 14th of October. I'm James Spann. One more unseasonably warm day, then a big cool down coming up for the weekend. Here we go. This is the upper air look. Got a big trough out in the western states, ridging here across the deep south. Of course, the ridge, the reason we're warm and dry, but that trough will be pushing a cold front through here tomorrow night. Visible satellite view, the sky mostly sunny across the state this afternoon, and accordingly, nothing on the radar. That was the composite around 2:30 this afternoon. Temperatures again today, mostly low and mid-80s. Looks like Birmingham at 82, Tuscaloosa 84. We'll expect similar highs tomorrow, and then highs drop into the upper 60s on Saturday. In fact, there's a look at the central United States. You could see that shot of cold air, 30s and 40s over the Rockies, parts of the high plain states, and that is on the way. There's our watch warning map. And you can see things are pretty quiet across the country today. Got a couple of spots where we've got freeze warnings in effect for parts of Colorado, Utah, and the Dakotas. Got a couple of marginal risks in terms of severe weather later today and tonight in areas north and west of the state. And then tomorrow, there's a risk of severe storms north of Alabama. The standard slight risk running from near Memphis up toward Cleveland. But again, no severe weather expected here with the front. And then on day 3, Saturday, a marginal risk over parts of the northeast United States. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals, again, will be north of Alabama. Really not much here. We'll have a few showers with that front late tomorrow night, early Saturday morning in the pre-dawn hours, but most locations under 1/10 of an inch. Tropics, nice and quiet in the Atlantic Basin. That one feature that's north of Puerto Rico, not expected to develop, and that is drifting slowly to the east. The Gulf of Mexico, very, very quiet. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. There's your big trough north and west of the state. Down below that, we're still warm and dry during the day with highs in the 80s, but the front will be coming through tomorrow night. Here's the high-res NAM. This is valid at 10 o'clock, and you can see that band of showers creeping into the northwestern corner of the state. At that point, there could be a rumble of thunder, but for most locations, just light rain showers. This is after midnight tomorrow night, 2 a.m. Saturday. The band of showers coming through Tuscaloosa and Birmingham, approaching Gadsden. And then by 7 o'clock, the showers dissipate down in southeast Alabama, and we are in cooler air. The day Saturday, mostly sunny, breezy, much cooler, the high in the upper 60s with the north wind of 10 to 20. Sunday, we start the day well down in the 40s. We might see a couple of colder spots in the upper 30s for the first time this season. The day will be sunny, the high 67 to 70, just glorious fall weather. And the first half of next week looks fantastic. Here's Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Sunny, pleasant days, fair, cool nights. Highs in the 70s. And a week from today, Thursday the 21st, got a short wave north of here, and moisture starts to increase west of the state. This is suggesting we're still dry Thursday of next week, but that will probably push some rain in here toward the end of next week, maybe Thursday night or Friday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 24th, troughing over the east. And again, we are cool and dry. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 1 inch between now and the end of October. And one more day with 80s, and we're done with it for a while. Highs drop in the upper 60s over the weekend. Highs next week mostly in the 70s. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This looks a little more like it. This is October 22nd. Through the 28th, you can see temperatures here very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.